We have the fabulous Diane Hunter with us today, my mother, to talk about those Callaways.
You must want something.
That's pretty funny. I always want something. Okay, I know we're always talking about those Callaways and how fantastic they are, trustworthy, everything. And they have some amazing homes to talk
They
about.
really do, and I'm going to tell everybody about one right now.
All right, let's hear about it.
It's situated in prestigious Tatum Foothills.
Ooh,
Gorgeous
that's a great area.
This home has over 1,500 square feet of living area. I
What?
mean, yes, it's gorgeous. And it's really luxurious and yet comfortable living. The living room is gorgeous, framed by 2 grand columns and beautiful picture window that overlooks a resort yard and mountains. And the nearby family room has a custom entertainment center, fireplace, French exit to the fabulous yard. It's great. And look at this kitchen. You know,
That is
it
gorgeous.
is just gorgeous, isn't it? I could just spend all day cooking in there. And this lovely living room, I mean, it's just the picture window looking out to the backyard. You'd want to sit in there all day. Now, we don't usually show garages, but look at this.
Yeah.
I mean, it looks immaculate. The home has a generous, 4 generous en-suite bedrooms and 6 bathrooms.
Oh my goodness.
The incredible home is located in a gated community and the naturally elevated lot. So it really has beautiful views. Look at this pool. It's priced at $1,495,000. And let me tell you, if this is in your price range, it's definitely a home worth seeing.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, as you can see, this is just gorgeous.
Well, people need to get a hold of those Callaways and they need to either see this one or go see one of the other ones because they have a lot to offer in all price ranges.
They certainly do.
All right, well, thank you, Mom.
You're welcome, honey.